Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening a box for YuGiOh Rage of the Abyss while we are waiting for the new set. So without further ado, it's gonna be very easy. Surely. There we have it. Let's get started. Let's see what we get. How lovely. So, as always, starting from the right side. Let's see what we get this time. And Asamina Ilya Sylvia. We know that one. I've gotten that one quite a few times already. But the same is probably true for every other super rare. Like the Primate Raw. On to the next one. No time is being wasted here. Especially not yours. I hope so. Eheos Varrock V Mechanical Dawn. And we're already on to the next one. Let's see what we get. We get a Asamina Moa Regina. First ultra rare of the box. And on to the next one we go. Where we have a Scourge of the White Forest. And on to the next one. Let's see what we get. A Mimikul Slime. Next pack. We get a Metal Sower X. And that's that. And on to the next pack. Where we have a Mermail King Neptabis. We can do better. Surely. Not with a Leverture Dragon. On to the next one. Where we have a Cursed Fire King Doomburst. Also not with that one. Moving on. We have a Mimikul Charm. Our first secret rare here. And last pack for the right side. Let's see what we get. A Metal Illusionist. And that's that. So let's move on to the left side. 12 more packs to go. Half time. We have a Fire King Courtier Ulcanix. That's a lovely one to have. Not monetary wise, but it's decent. On to the next one. We have a Surfacing Big Jaws. Ultra rare. And on to the next one. Let's see what we get. The hollowed Asamina. And that's that. To the next one. We find secret rare number 3, a giant Mimikul. And on to the next one we go. A Centurion Primera Primus. And on to the next one. We have a Firestorms over Atlantis. Moving on, we have a Legendary Lords Higgs Samurai Inishi. And that's it here. On to the next one. Really speeding through them today. We have a Goblin Biker Grand Breakout. On to the next pack. We have a Mermail Shadow Squad. And that's it. Not a bad box. Hitting a lot of cards, at least. And that's the third to last pack, actually. And we get a Splitting Planarian. Second to last pack. Let's see what we get. We get a Battle Wasp, Grand Partisan, The Revolution. And that's that. And we're down to the last pack. Let's see what we get. We get an incoming machine. And that's the box. So, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.